tighten up these 3 here, Dan?
How are we gonna blow up the tire though and stuff?
I'm gonna have to blow it up with 3.
What happens if we blow it up with 3? Will it pop up in the air?
I hope not.
I'm not getting into this.
You know what?
How'd you ratchet them? Oh, turn this over?
I guess so. Just about to ask you if you were working with your new brain.
Yeah, I got a new brain from the brain store.
The brains are us. At the country brain place.
Is this to tighten it or loosen?
Should be to tighten it.
Look at.
What?
Is it to tighten or loosen?
Tighten.
Okay.
Remember, you gotta hold one hand on the bottom half of that so that round thing doesn't spin. Oh, man.
What could it be?
I don't know, Dan.
Grammy, I think she's checking on the ground.
But I think what I can do is I'm gonna steal one off from one of the spare rooms that we got upstairs. Don't have any more time to look for it. Don't know and don't care. I'm just going to consider it gone. What do you think of that?
Yeah, I'm guessing it's gone.
Yep. It's gone. Gone, gone, gone. Never to be seen again.
What do you need up there?
Extra rim.
Really?
Yeah, really. Why?
Ring.
Wondering what? You want to go get it?
Yeah!
Alright.
Where is it?
Well, let me get the ladder up here first.
Why'd you make that so long?
Well,
Can
you want to come?
I book this one?
All right.
What do you have to do?
Pull it straight out. Keep wiggling. Wiggle it while you bring it out. Just spin it around. There you go. Let it go. Alright, man.
Is that just the case?
Nope.
Really?
Yep. It's dangerous as heck. You could get killed at any second.
Really?
Yep. Luckily it's on video though, so your Grammy can see it. And Aunt Deb can see it too. Let me move the camera up. Just in case you go flying, okay? Are you flying yet?
No.
No? Does that mean you've actually climbed the ladder before?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so. You see the rim there?
The metal part?
Yep.
With a tire in it?
There
Is
should
there
be
a tire on it?
there should be one without a tire on it. That's just got the bolts.
Oh, I just found one with the tire.
You see one without the tire? Nice. Take one of those bolts out. Are they loose or no?
Oh, I found one that's loose.
Good.
Which way do I have to turn it?
I'll let you figure that out.
That way.
So make sure to get that, the lock washer, and the nut, okay?
It's not turning.
Not turning?
All of them are locked.
They're all locked?
Except this one.
Yikes. Well, that was tight. Okay. Come on back down, man. Make sure you have 2 hands on that ladder at any time, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Phew. Phew, I made it.
I guess you did.
Phew.
Alright, so we're going to put this one last one in. Come on over here.
I'll have to do some more wrenching.
Alright, come on over here so we're not blocking the light. Okay. Oh, that was loose too. I thought you were tightening those down.
I was. I didn't tighten all of them.
I guess. Alright, man. Tighten them down. Here, come over this way so you're not blocking the light.
Why?
So you're not. Oh, you got the camera up there.
Oh,
See?
yeah.
We're showing Aunt Deb how you're doing the tire. Aunt Deb doesn't want to just look at your butt all day, right? No. Remember to do the opposite side.
That's what I already did that one.
Okay.
Now this one?
Good, yep.
Download's already tightened it.
Sweet. Alright. Now we're going to do the air popping thing again.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Can I put on the headphones this time since it's loud?
Can you what?
Put on the headphones?
No.
Why?
Why do you think?
It's not that loud?
Because it's not that loud and I want you to be able to hear me. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead, give her a shot. Okay, hold it.
What is that?
Air compressor in the back. Okay, give it another. Good. It's not that loud.
Oh.
Another little shot. Okay, hold it.
Now to take off these, right? Oh, it's almost good popping?
Yep.
Sure? Can I put these back now?
Yep.
Can I shut this?
Okay, what?
Shut this?
Not yet.
Why?
The thing's in the way. Alright. Now,
Blow it up more?
well, I gotta put the valve stem back in. Alright, where's the valve stem?
You didn't lose that too, did you?
Yeah, probably.
Right here.
Got it? Good.
It's right here, baby.
Alright.
It's just on the table. Grammy, run away.
And your butt right in the camera.
Pictures.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Is there any more boom?
Shouldn't be.
Sure.
Positive. Hit it again. Hit it again. Okay, hold it. Hit it again. Hold it.